The versatile 3D scroll table, made by Hot Wire Foam Factory. Precision blade, long blade, router blade, ribbon blade. It's 10 tools in one. Tool number 1, make basic straight cuts. Tool number 2, make angle cuts. Tool number 3, make complex angle cuts. Tool number 4, make cylinders and cones. Tool number 5, 3-dimensional router shapes. Tool number 6, 3-dimensional lathe shapes. Tool number 7, make ultra-accurate cuts. Tool number 8, overhead milling operations. Tool number 9, plunge cutting for circles and holes. The sled and hot knife are sold separately. Tool number 10, accurate overhead engraving. The sled and engraving tool are sold separately. Tilt the table for hands-free cutting. Imagine it, and you can make it. A smaller 3D table is also available.